Starting photography can be a fun and rewarding experience for beginners. Here are some tips to help you get started. Get a camera. The first step to start photography is to get a camera. It can be a basic point-and-shoot camera, a mirrorless camera, or a DSLR camera. Research and choose a camera that suits your needs and budget. Learn the basics. Once you have a camera, learn the basics of photography. This includes understanding exposure, shutter speed, aperture, ISO, and other technical terms. Practice shooting. Take your camera out and start practicing. Experiment with different settings and shoot in different lighting conditions. Take photos of different subjects and try out different compositions. Learn editing. Editing is an important part of photography. Learn how to edit your photos using software like Adobe Lightroom or Photoshop. Experiment with different editing techniques to find your style. Learn from others. Take online courses, watch tutorials, and read books on photography. Join online photography communities and learn from other photographers. Keep practicing. Photography is a skill that takes time and practice to master. Keep practicing and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every photo you take is an opportunity to learn and improve. In future videos I will tell you about the basics like ISO, aperture, white balance, etc. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process of learning photography.